Okay, here we have a data related to the customers, and pure for the customers they haven't paid a due. Okay, for example, this particular customer haven't paid a due. I would like to write a note on that. Okay, whenever I select that particular cell, that note should be shown. Okay, what exactly the how much due he has, like that it need to be shown. Okay, for that we are using a note in insert tab. In insert tab, we have a note. We have an option called as a note. Select that one, and you can start writing a note like due of 1000. Okay, like this you can start writing a note and click outside to come out from the that particular note. Now you can observe that the highlighted with the corner, and when you are having taken a cursor to that particular person, the note has been shown. That note will be shown. Same way we can write a comment also. We can write a comment also, like we have been selected particular cell, insert comments, and if I say that, I say comment. Okay, then comment. Okay, this has been commented in the sense that particular cell, when we have been taken that particular cell, it will be shown as a comment. One comment has been written by this particular person. Okay, here note has been written by one who created. Comment can be written by anyone who is referring this particular data. Okay, his name will be appear there, what comment he has been inserted. Okay, this to manage the data, it will very helpful when you are managing a data for future reference, and all it will be helpful commenting and inserting a note.